If you have watched yesterday's video, you have already taken an important step towards understanding how therapy can create lasting change. We talked about whether therapy can really help, and I assured you it absolutely can, especially when you approach it with an open heart and the right guidance. So, now that you are open to the possibility of therapy, let us take the next step and dive into a very important question. What exactly is couple therapy and how can it help? That's a great question, and it's normal to feel uncertain. Relationships can be complicated, and sometimes it feels like you are stuck in the same patterns, unable to move forward. But what if I told you it doesn't have to be that way? Let me explain it like this. Have you ever tried assembling a piece of furniture without the instructions? You might manage to get it done, but chances are there you will run into some roadblocks. You will struggle with the pieces not fitting properly and end up with a few extra screws, or worse, it just won't hold up in the long run. That is exactly how relationships can feel when you are not equipped with the right tools to fix what is broken. Couple therapy is like having an expert guide to help you put everything together. The therapist gives you the instructions, the right tools, and a clear plan to strengthen your communication, resolve the issues that have been holding you back, and help you both grow together in the way you both deserve. Now you might be thinking, but we have been together for years. We should be able to handle this ourselves. I get it, but think about this. Even the best athletes need coaches. Even the most successful business need advisors. Why? Because sometimes we all need help to get to the next level. That is where couple therapy comes in. It's a place where you and your partner can come together with a trained professional guiding you through the tough conversations, the unspoken feelings, and the misunderstandings that build up over time. Therapy isn't about blaming each other. It's about understanding each other better and learning how to work together as a team. Now, one quick question. Have you ever found yourself stuck in the same argument with your partner over and over again? It feels like you are both saying the same thing, but still not hearing each other. Frustration builds and nothing gets resolved. Does this sound familiar? This is like trying to tune a guitar without knowing which string is out of tune. You keep strumming, hoping the sound will improve. But it just doesn't. No matter how hard you try, things sound off because you are not addressing the right issue. Now, let us talk about another issue that many couples face: emotional baggage. Assume your relationship like a backpack. Over time, you add weight, small arguments, misunderstandings, unspoken feelings, and frustrations. At first, it's light, but over the years, that backpack gets heavier and heavier until it becomes hard to carry. Have you ever felt at times like you're carrying too much weight in your relationship? Like everything you do or say is influenced by all the past stuff that hasn't been dealt with? Therapy helps you unpack that emotional baggage. It's about taking the weight off your shoulders, one piece at a time, so you can move forward together without carrying the past with you. And as you begin to lighten that load, it brings us to another key issue couples face, that is, trust. Have you ever felt distant from your partner? Not just physically, but emotionally? Trust can be fragile, whether it is from a past mistake or the emotional distance that builds up over time. Trust is like a smartphone screen. It starts off clear, strong, and perfectly functional, but over time, cracks can appear. Maybe from a small drop or a bigger impact. At first, it might still work, but over time, the cracks grow, making it harder to see things clearly. Therapy helps you repair those cracks, piece by piece, so your trust becomes strong again, and you can move forward without distractions or doubts clouding your connection. So, why should you consider therapy? It's not just about fixing what is broken, it's about building something stronger. It's about improving the relationship you already have, learning how to communicate openly, resolve conflicts without all the drama, and most importantly, reconnecting emotionally. What if you and your partner could finally talk openly without fear of being misunderstood? What if every conversation left you feeling heard and valued? What if you could tackle life's challenges together as a team? This isn't just a drill, it's the power of couple therapy. It helps you break old patterns and build a foundation of trust, respect, and real connection. Here is the bottom line: the sooner you start, the sooner you begin to heal. The longer you wait, the more emotional baggage you keep adding to your relationship until it becomes harder and harder to move forward. Don't wait for things to get worse. The tension, the misunderstandings, the emotional distance, they won't fix themselves. Therapy helps you stop the cycle, rebuild trust, and improve your communication. Investing in therapy is investing in the future of your relationship. And trust me, there is nothing more worth investing in.